This tutorial is going to teach you how to make one of these dishwasher loading and unloading videos that you probably see on TikTok a lot. So we're shooting backwards. We're starting with the dishwasher totally full. My phone is on a tripod and I am clicking the shutter in between each time I remove something from the dishwasher. I actually have headphones plugged into my phone, and then the volume button doubles as a shutter release cable, so I'm not even touching my phone. I'm just stepping back, pressing the volume button, and that takes a photo. Now I am pushing this top rack in and taking a photo each time. You can also see at the bottom how my exposure, auto white balance, and focus are locked. This is key so that we don't have flicker. Of course, it looks flickery because this time lapse is showing the shutter being clicked, but once you see the final video, which is almost ready, you'll see that it looks great. So now I'm just closing the dishwasher, taking a photo frame by frame, and now it's time to edit. So the default is a little bit slow, so I'm speeding up the animation, just getting it to a speed that I like it. And then the first thing I'll do is click reverse, because I think it looks cooler to have the dishwasher open up and then fill up. But I'm actually going to use the boomerang feature, so it opens, fills up, and then empties and closes. I think that looks really cool and is honestly really inspiring just to go do the dishes. It makes the dishes feel more fun to see it in stop motion. And now I am adjusting the brightness a bit. So that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to download as a 4K video, and here's the final product. Super fun. Hope you try this concept out. It'll get your dishes done.